brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube videos on Google Slides. So basically, we use Google Slides for making presentation, and it's free of cost. That is being offered from Google. So first of all, in order to add YouTube videos to Google Site, we need to first of all open the browser. I'm using Google Chrome. From Google Chrome, open Google Slide. I have already opened it for you. If you just write down Google Slide, it will open it for you. Okay, so this is our desired Google Slide section. So after logging in, you will find this is the home page of Google Slide. I want to make a presentation, so I will just click on blank presentation. Okay, now here in the first page onward, I want to add I want to add a YouTube video. So I will go to YouTube, write down youtube.com, and it will automatically take you to YouTube. And as for example, depending on the internet connection, it will take some time. Okay, like I want to add this video. Okay, so I will go to that video. I'll pause it. I will pause it. Okay, I will click on the upper side of the screen. Here there is a link. I will just click on it, and I will click on Control C. It will automatically copy it. Then I will go to untitled presentation of my Go slide. Then I want to present the YouTube video here. So I will go to Insert. I will click on Video. Then you will find YouTube and Google Drive. So here you find YouTube, and I will just paste the URL that I have copied earlier. Click on Enter. See, the video has already came. So I will click on the video and click on Insert. See, you can easily resize the video according to your desire. It will automatically add the YouTube your desired YouTube video to the YouTube slides. So this is all from my side. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and do let us know what kind of YouTube videos you like from us. Thank you.